Guys, welcome back. We are at Kendall Nursery, preparing a beautiful specimen, a day canary palm for one of our customers in Palm Beach County. This one, it's about 16, I'll say 20 feet tall actually. Just the trunk itself, it's about 10 feet. Beautiful specimen, thick trunk. Day canary palm. Already with the pineapple. And the diamond cut in the bottom of the trunk. Cleaned up, prepared, ready to be, or almost ready to be transported. If you guys need anything like this, we have Sylvester palms, Canary day palms, the jewel palms. Give us a call.